Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mr. D, and welcome to my Mola meme review. Now, I am here inside the members area, and during this video, I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and I also put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving Mola meme for only $2. So when you buy from my link, then in the bonus area I will give your $5 instant and remaining money within the 12 to 24 hours in your account. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount to you. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I will get some commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I am giving your money back to you. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this you will definitely buy some of its updates and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you what is Mola meme is all about. Mola meme is a cloud-based software which will help you to make money in a very funny way, and believe me, you will definitely enjoy this and make money from it. So it is a new meme-based version of $600 million medium.com platform. As you know that creating a meme is very simple, and with the help of Mola meme software you can make them in seconds. With the help of Mola meme you will get paid literally on autopilot. Even someone only like your meme, and they also have training include which will explain it in very nice method. You can make more than $500 per day with the help of Mola meme with of the work of less than 60 seconds. So it is a very good product and you must buy it. And more details of Mola meme I will provide you later in this video. So Mola meme is going live on 24 July 9 am EST. So when it goes live you can click any of the button on my bonus page and they will bring you to the sales page where you can buy from it. So pick the Mola meme before my bonus page expire, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses so that you will get out as possible. All those bonuses are mine and they are created by myself, my team, and very good affiliate marketers on the internet, and they are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. With that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in term of bonuses for Mola meme, because I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link which is down below this video. Now let's see my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So, so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So this is the next bonus, that if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to cost customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus. If you buy CB Traffic app from my link which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. So next bonus is mine is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, you need to do, first of all, click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on. If you come through my email list, just be aware that it goes live on 24 July 9 a.m. EST. Now let me tell you how you can access them. So in your Warrior Plus history, you can see there this blue button, access your bonuses. Here you can access all the bonuses which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $17. And as you know that I am giving a $15 back with all of my bonuses. Now let's see the sales page of Mola Meme. So now I am on the sales page of Mola Meme, and as you can see there this introducing the world first app to make us up to 500 plus autopilot commission payment daily with absolutely zero traffic. So you don't need any traffic. These guys will provide you everything in this app. It's the most fun we have ever had making money online. So it is a very good and funny way to make money, and you love it. Here you can see this video and it will tell you more about it, and you can buy it from by clicking this button, add to cart. Now there are some of its features. As you can see, make us commission on true autopilot, zero traffic and clicks ever needed, also zero selling ever needed, like nothing you have ever seen. It's a ton of fun based on $600 million biz model, and you will get commission ready in 60-second flat. So easy, my kids can do this. Ultimate cash potential, works great even for internet dummies. Supplement the autopilot lifestyle. So it is very easy to make money and very funny way these guys are finding. So you can make hundreds of commission in just three simple steps. First step, to log in this cloud based software, and second step, to post a meme, which is we use a built-in kid simple tool to post a meme to app within seconds. And third step, to relax and collect. You will collect your money on autopilot and you don't have to do anything. And as you can see, there are some income proof these guys are making, and from the Mola meme. There are many income proofs, and as you can see, this is the sales page. You can read it out. Now there are some photos of these guys creators. Now this is the creator of this product, Brian Winters. You can see here is its photo, and there, as you can see, some more income proofs these guys are giving you. Now you can see this, here's lot of stuff. Now here's some more income proof. So it is very good product and you will definitely make money from it. Now this is the app, as you can see, and in a nutshell, Mola meme is the all new meme based version of $600 million, and you can read it out and you can create some of these memes. Now as you can see, there are some more income proof. Now here are some testimonials. There are some more income proofs, you can see. So these guys are giving you many income proof, and it will show that it's really work and you will definitely make some money from it. Now here you can see some more income proofs, more photos of income proofs, and many things. Now here you can see there what is all about. You can read its feature. Now as you can see, use our built-in stupid simple 60-second meme generator. Submit unlimited Mola memes. Our ingenious one-click autopilot commission button is displayed under all your memes. Our system auto-create a collection page of your memes for user to visit Lua. Now, its real value of Mola meme is 4,537, but you are getting it's a very low price of $17, and as you know that I am giving a $15 back. And as you can see, price rises every 60 minutes, so it's a very good thing and buy it. And as you can see, their 30-day money back guarantee and our 10x your money back guarantee. So if you don't make money in 30 days, then they will give your money into 10x. Now as you can see that if you spend $17, so you will get $170 back if you don't make money from it. So these guys are sure that you will make money from it. Now this is the whole sales page of Mola meme, and as you can see, there's some more income proofs on it, and there are some of the FAQs. You can see there what is Mola meme. So Mola meme is a groundbreaking new cloud-based software income app that requires zero traffic and zero selling, and you will make money. How long does setup take? So literally it will take 60 seconds. Do you have a demo of built-in meme generator? Yes, here's the demo, you can also watch it. What kind of training is involved? There is a virtually no training needed, but we prepared a little video for you to show around how to work it. So you don't have to need any trainings. It is a very good thing, but these guys give you training. How much can I earn? The earning potential is unlimited. Mola meme is based on medium.com $600 million business model where users can make up to $40,000 per month. Now how do I get paid? So you get paid in one click when other users like or share your photos or your memes. Now while this work on my device, so it is cloud based software, it will work on any device but you have an internet connection. Now will this work on from my country? So it's absolutely worldwide. You can use it from anywhere of the world. Now this is the whole sales page of Mola meme, and it is very detailed, so read it out in your own time because I am not going to show it you all. And it is very good product, so buy it now with all of my bonus. As you know that it does not need any training. That's why I am not making any video of the members area because it is available on the sales page and you can see from it there on the sales page of Mola meme. Now let me tell you its prices and upsells. So its front end price is for only $17, and as you know that I am giving you a $15 back with all of my bonuses, so it is front end. Now its upsell number 1, which means OTO 1, is meme commission takeover for only $37, and in which with this upsell you can make more money and you will receive more commissions from it. Now its upsell number 2 is autopilot meme machine for $47, in which you can make everything autopilot. You will make your memes on autopilot and make money on autopilot even if you sleep, and it is for only $47. Now it's OTO 3, which means upsell 3 is cash bump robot for $67, and in which you can make more commissions refunded by Mola meme revenue. And I have not much detail about all these upsells, and if I have more details about it then I will update on my bonus page and you can check from there. Now its upsell for is 100k meme module for only $67, and in which with this upsell you can submit your profitable ad based memes to their platform, meaning which means you can promote memes that will have your product link or affiliate link. So it is a very good thing and it is for only $67. Now its upsell 5 is $500 day machine for $97, and in which you can get or replace their backend webinar link with own affiliate link, uh, which means you can change their link to your link and you can make up to 500 or 1000 high ticket commissions on autopilot. Now its upsell 6 is double income activator for $197, and in which with this upsell you can double your income, which means you can double your commissions. If you make $100 then you will make $200 or more from it. So these are all the upsells, and hurry up and buy it. And in my opinion you should purchase upsell number you should purchase upsell number 2, which in which you will get more money, and it is only for $47, so not much expensive. And it's all about. Thank you for watching my Molam meme review, and I'll see you in some of the next video. Take care. Bye.